What up, you broke motherfuckers? Happy New Year. You already know what it is. Let's move this closer. It's your boy L. Listen, man. Tell you motherfuckers, I done got 2 strikes already for giving y'all free shit. You know what I'm saying? So I said I might as well go back to my jailbreak shit. So this tutorial is to teach y'all niggas how to jailbreak your phone without a motherfucking computer. That's right, without a computer. I don't know. You either lazy as a motherfucker and don't feel like using a computer, or you just don't have a motherfucking computer, or your phone probably broke like fucking mine. Well, I gotta put it on this dock and shit for the charge because my prong piece broke. So it isn't no way for me to put the codes in my phone. Only way I can do that is through jailbreak my phone through a website. Probably either like that, or you broke motherfuckers just don't have no money to afford a computer. Whatever it is, I'm gonna teach y'all motherfuckers how to jailbreak your motherfucking iPhone without a computer. Let's get this on. What y'all wanna do is go to Safari and type in top T-O-P store. Oops, what did I spell? Fuck it. T-O-P store. S-T-O-R top store. Boop. It's gonna be this, the third one. Boop. Once you click on that, boop, you're gonna see that. No, you don't want to follow my Twitter. I mean, if you do, you do. You're gonna cancel that. Then you're gonna go all the way down. And you're gonna see uncover jailbreak. You're gonna click on that, click get. You're gonna go right here and you're gonna click get. Now, as y'all see, my shit is already downloaded, so I'm not gonna download it again, but I'm gonna show y'all that it's real. No ads and shit, but you hit that button, reinstall in the jailbreaker. So let's go back. Like I said, you're gonna click that. That's gonna download this into your browser. But make sure when you first hit this, it's not gonna load. It's gonna have a loading symbol right there. Don't touch it. Before you touch it, you're gonna go into your settings. Once you get into settings, you go all the way down to Safari. Click Safari, and then you're gonna clear your history. Clear all your history. Boop. So that way, when you go back into your browser, this is no longer here. You want it to look like this. Not like this, but clear. You know what I'm saying. Then you're gonna clear out. Then you're gonna go back to Uncharted, and you're gonna hit it. Boop. And let it load. Once it load, you gonna let it finish downloaded. Once it finish downloaded, no, hold on, one more thing. Sometimes you might gotta put your phone on airplane mode and let it download if it don't complete. But for mine, I didn't have to put it on download. I simply just let it load. Once it finished, do not open it up. After you do that, you're gonna have to go down to your trust. Of course, you know you gotta trust this. Come on, man, it's an off-site app. So you gonna go down to trust the app, and we're gonna go to general, and we gonna go down to profiles, device manager. Once you get in here, it should be this one right here. You're gonna hit right here. It's gonna say trust. You're gonna hit trust. It's gonna let you trust it. Once it lets you trust it, then you go back, hit the button, open it up, and y'all know the rest. You hit that button. Mine say re-jailbreak, because like I told y'all before, my shit is already jailbroke. Then you're gonna jailbreak it, and your phone is gonna be jailbroke. Now, this tutorial was free. This motherfucker channel is free. And subscribing is free, liking and sharing is free. Make sure y'all like and subscribe. And guess what? Your boy L, I am back in the house. Happy fucking New Year, niggas. For real.